What is going on, guys? You can tell I'm pretty excited, even though I've only had 2 hours of sleep, which is 10:15. Didn't get sleep till about 8:30ish in the morning. Finished at 3 AM, so early start, but still hyped because I have to go look at my dream bike, which I'll explain more about that once I've woke up. But yeah, it should be fun, so see you guys on the road. Right, I don't know if you guys can see properly there. Try out new camera angles as always. As I said, I'm off to go look at my dream bike. The reason I'm doing that is because it's not my actual dream bike, obviously, because I'm only 18, so I'm not old enough to ride my dream bike. I'm going to be 24. But it's my dream 125, which is Yamaha YZF R125 in a specific colour. But I managed to find one, so we're going to look at it today, and hopefully I'll be getting it. Right, while we're waiting what seems like an eternity, I just want to say sorry for not posting videos the last 2 weeks. I did record something, but the footage turned out to be rubbish, to be honest, so the second week I was too busy looking at bikes. If you don't know, which you probably won't because I've never told you, I am a big petrol head. I love cars and bikes. Right, so we went to the place. They had the bike I wanted, but not the right year or colour. Alright guys, so we're continuing the bike shopping as I was saying. Still not in the colours that I want, but it's a toss up between a brand new one in an okay colour or a 2016 one, so last year's, in the colour that I want with either 800 or 8,000 miles. That's sexy R6 there. There's a big line up of bikes making me jealous, and there's a bike coming in as well. Not fair. Right, so as you saw, they had 2017 black or blue, and the blue one looked, I'm rubbish with this camera, right, the blue one looked alright. I mean, it's not the one that I wanted, but I actually think the black one looks better. Even though I wanted one that stands out, the black does look nice. I think it'll look nice with a couple of customisations on it. If you follow my Instagram or Snapchat, you'll have seen it. Yeah. Self-promoting, love that shit. Then this goon's got his bike back. It is, look at that, look at that. It is. If you're gonna get a crosser, get a proper one.
It's a supermoto, not a crosser.
They're all it's not a superbike.
Mine's very loud. It's very loud. Listen, I'll rev it while you're talking.
I'll kick you off it.
I thought
So it'll be a third crash in God knows how long.
9 weeks.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, go shop and then go pick up Jack, who you saw in my second vlog.
Very blunt one.
The boring one, to put it bluntly. Even I admit that second vlog wasn't that good. I still find myself hilarious, but it wasn't that good. Tomorrow, even though I finish work at 12, I need to go to Adrenaline at like 7.
Finish work at 8 tomorrow.
You suck. Oh. See what I mean? Absolute. Go wet. Right guys, so we've just thought of something to do, so we're gonna go do that now. Right guys, so the place that we're coming is the skate park, which is dead. There's just 2 BMXs, a bike.
Stop saying it, because it's not.
It's a wheelchair and a scooter kid. Look at that. How is it that good?
You have a blast.
I can't ride scooters though.
You don't know what skate park rules, is it?
No, I can't ride scooters. Do you know what? Screw it, I'll have a go.
No.
Right, I'm gonna try for fail then. Let's have a go, bro. Like, does that count?
Yeah, you almost got it.
Yeah, I've got an idea. I'm shit at scooter, so don't go.
Okay. Whoa, dude. Oh my god.
Best goes, bro.
Can I find like a long school of that easy? You get back. Yeah. Do it that way, but well, that works, mate.
Oh wow.
Kids, isn't it?
Impossible.
Dab.
Alright guys, so come from this skate park and we're now just been to Starbucks and now we're doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. So stay tuned for more fun. You know it's warm outside when even I'm wearing shorts. Sexy legs though. Far from it. It is, according to Snapchat, 26. That's alright, I suppose. I'm kidding, I'm bothered. If you don't already, follow me on Snapchat and you can see my day-to-day things. You'll see, well, if you haven't, then go watch the vlog where I do this, if you can see it. Yeah. But, after that, if you do follow me on Snapchat, you'll have seen I actually learned to backflip, which is when, I'll admit this failed at the end, but oh yeah. It's not bad, it took me, altogether, probably took me about 45 minutes to learn it. What do you think guys? Am I summer ready? I've got bright hat and glasses on and, well, nothing else bright on apart from yeah. Look, spot the difference. I like my door as well. I haven't actually stuck them on, but I absolutely love those stickers.
And it's all the same. Tell me how you deal next thing I would say. I'm on a new